All right, so the top one is the replacement needle. This guy right here, I got that off Alibaba, AliExpress. This is the OEM needle here, this middle one with the yellow removed, with the amber removed. And this is the modified needle, which has the OEM housing and then the red pointer that I swapped from the Alibaba ones or AliExpress ones. So let me show you the back. I gotta be careful here. I'm doing this one-handed. That's what the swap looks like. It's the completed housing. Goes down. Okay. This is what the housing looks like from the Alibaba needle. Right, so you've got to remove basically the OEM needle. That's the OEM needle. You can still see this. There's some orange. You can still see a little orange on that one. Actually, no, I took it all off. So OEM needle with the red, and OEM needle without the red. So this is the full modified one right here.